Hi everyone, I wanted to jump on here real quick and try to do like a little bit of an instructional video. First, I wanted to start off by saying I miss all of your students dearly. I miss seeing their faces and their smiles every single day. So this is definitely a difficult time for myself as well. I'm sure it's stressful for you guys too. But I wanted to go ahead and get started and make this video to kind of show you how to access all of the things that I've been messaging you in Dojo. So the Google Classroom, iExcel, Mathseeds, Reading Eggs, all of it. So to get started, I think the best way to go about this is showing you how to use the Google Classroom. That's where you're going to get all of this information from. So pretty much what you just need to do is open up a web browser and you can just see that like I've just typed in Google up here and this is the page that I'm presented with. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here in the top right upper hand corner. I'm going to click the sign in button. Okay, so once you click on the sign in button, this is the screen that you're going to be displayed. Now for myself, I already have my login like saved to my computer. You will just have to go ahead and type yours in. So I'm going to click on mine and then enter my password and then click next. So once you are logged in, you're going to go back to this just general Google screen. And then again, you're going to go up here to the upper right hand corner. And instead of clicking on login, it's not an option anymore. You're going to click on this. It's like a square made up of little squares inside of it. If you run your cursor over it, it says Google Apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to come over and select Classroom. Okay, now for you guys, you're only going to see this Trinity West kindergarten classroom. These are just the other classrooms that I'm in. So you're going to go ahead and open the Trinity West kindergarten classroom. Okay, and it's going to prompt you to this first screen here. This first screen you can see is called the Stream tab. So on this Stream tab, it's pretty much just showing you everything that's going on in this classroom. You can say hi to your friends. You'll see like assignments being posted from the teachers. This just keeps everything in like one general log. If you go over to the next tab, it's called Classwork, you will see a whole bunch of different activities and links. Okay, now for this is just something that we have to use as a kindergarten grade level. It's kind of like our hub for storing all of our resources. So my link is right here to our personal classroom. You're going to go ahead and click on it. And then you can see this is our own classroom. So over here on the sides, I'm kind of just going to throw some pointers out to you. Here are all of like the different sections that I've created within our classroom. So if I just wanted to like jump over something, I can just click to that section. So the first section we have on here is attendance. Every single day, I want you guys to go in and you'll see there's a way that you can check in for the day. That way I know that you're there. The next part, morning meeting. So I wanted to try to make this as normal as possible for the kids. I'm sure that they are all very confused, and I felt like keeping them in a schedule was the best way to approach this. So you can see we have like our calendar, our weather, and then this is an option that I've put in here for our literacy links. These are all things that I would be doing daily in the classroom, so I wanted to add those for you guys. Okay, so now the next tab here is the iExcel diagnostic test. I've sent this home in a Dojo message and I've received a few different questions about it. So everything that you need for iExcel is in this section here. All of your instructions, the link to get to iExcel. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link to open it up. And this is the website for iExcel. So up top here, you have your login information, your username and your password. Now, keep in mind, your screen's gonna look a little bit different than mine because I have the teacher setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. And again, yours is gonna look a little bit different, but the main thing that I wanna touch point on is for the next step to get to that diagnostic, once you're logged in, you're gonna go to this green diagnostic tab. Okay, now on your screen, like right in this middle area here, you're gonna have a green button that looks kind of similar to this color that says step into the arena. You're going to click that and then begin taking the test. That's all I need you guys to do right now. Once you are completed with the diagnostic test, then you may go ahead and you can look around and play different games, do different skills. There's science, there's social studies, there's all sorts of different things on here that you can go ahead and complete. But first, I really need you to complete that diagnostic test. Okay, so now going back to our classroom here, I've put in here different reading assignments. I have read alouds, there's questions that go along with them. I'm going to try to post these weekly for you guys. So there's a few in there. If you want to go ahead and kind of check them out, go for it. And then lastly, down here, I put in some additional resources. I put in our sight word wall. I put in some coloring pages. I put in the reading eggs and math seeds. So let's go ahead right now and click on reading eggs and math seeds. And it'll open up the link for you. So this is the Reading Eggs and Math Seeds website. I do not have a login because I am not a student, but you just need to go into this login button up top. And again, your information I sent on a Dojo message. So you just plug it in, you'll click this Let Me In button, you'll select whether you want to do Reading Eggs or Math Seeds, and you'll go ahead and get started. Okay, if you guys have any other questions, please reach out to me, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you a little bit of an overview of what you're going to be seeing in the next few days, what's kind of expected. And I'm going to be adding more things to this website. So please just kind of stay tuned with me. We're going to work through this process together, but I just wanted to go ahead and get you guys started.